everyone. You're in for a treat today because we're picking up our 1992 Unimog at Hellgeth, which is a specialty company that's focusing on modifying Unimogs and other tracked vehicles, you know, for expeditions and so forth. And what you missed so far was the time when I picked up the Unimog at the fire department in Wurzbach a year ago, where I bought it, or where we bought it.
Which I missed.
Which Sibylla unfortunately couldn't make it to, so my mother had to make do. And yeah, now we're picking that one up, and we'll walk you through all the stuff that was done to the Unimog, you know, later on in this video. And we're going to drive it back to Sibylla's mom's house, where we're going to stay the night, and later on in the weekend we're going to drive it up to Bremen, to Boxmakufaktur, where our Unimog will get the box in the back, which will be eventually outfitted for an overland vehicle. So that'll be then the next 2 chapters on our journey. But so then enjoy the day. It's going to be a really cool and exciting day for the both of us. Yeah, Sibylla's going to get to ride it the first time. I'm going to get to drive it again after a year. So
he's not going to let me drive it because it has nothing in the back yet.
Yeah, you're going to see me probably cry when I fill up both diesel tanks for the first time. So they hold about 400 liters, which is about 110 gallons of diesel. And diesel, I'm just checking, is a Euro 34, which is about $1.50. That times 400, so that's gonna be painful. But what the heck? Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Good morning. We arrived last night at our stop point in Bad Nauheim at Sibylla's mother's house, and you can see the Unimog fits very nicely into a German driveway. So it's not only everything's bigger in America, in Germany things can be big as well. And so we're going to continue our journey very soon to Hanover, but now off to get some bread rolls and get some breakfast. So see you later.